In fact, the Digital Health Agency and the Pharmacy and Poison Board are doing a pilot in the month of July, am I right? Yes. On the track and trace system. Once that pilot is completed in July and it goes live on the 1st of August, every drug, every medicine dispensed in our country, if it in one way or the other affects the patient, and the three items that Dr. Bauer raised, is it safe, effective, and the other one was what? And quality? Quality assurance. If that medicine will not meet those three criteria, we can trace to the pharmacist, trace to the distributor, to the wholesaler, all the way to the manufacturer, from a patient in the remote parts of our country. We are putting that in the digital superhighway.